My name is Sasha. I'm studying 4th standard C section. I am going to talk about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. His father name was Motilal Nehru and his mother name was Suraprani. Jawaharlal Nehru was an eminent leader of the independence struggling. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the India. Jawaharlal Nehru, popularly known as Pandit Nehru. Pandit Nehru wrote the book Discovery of India. Jawaharlal Nehru